What's up, team? It's your boy Cal with another one. We on site of another one of my projects where we're working for, of course, my favorite customer. As you know, they had 2 new builds. That was a Habitat new build. That's another Habitat new build done by my partner, Rec Build. Of course, this is another new build here. That's another new build. I just showed you guys that the other day. It's gonna be the garage over there, 3-bedroom. So here, of course, they going hard with this one. But yeah, so let's talk about it. So we're going to be doing the full renovation for this project. As you can see, this has a new foundation. They jacked the house up completely and rebuilt all the walls. So we're going to come in and renovate this whole thing. We're going to do our pre-framing, and then our trades going to come in. Well, of course, me and my team. We just built this addition. If you've been following, you see the new addition has been done. We don't play no games. We don't play no games, as you can see. Everything done to code. This is one of the biggest houses we have done for Habitat. So, of course, this boy look good. Brand new addition. The inspector loves us. So I'm gonna love this one here. Got a 2-car garage. Did all the framing, did the back stairway. Oh, this one's good. I'm gonna do an underground service with this one as well. Oh yeah, this looks good. So, right now, if I'm not mistaken, it's already a past inspection. So from there, we're gonna do our interior framing. And then once we get our interior framing done, of course, this was a land bank property that Habitat purchased. And of course, it's gonna be a first-time home buyer that's gonna be living here. Big shout out to Habitat. It's my favorite customer. So usually the homeowner already owns the property or are probably in the final stages of purchasing. So it's a great program. I love what they do. And I love that I'm a part of this. I've been a part of this movement with them, working with them on a lot of their projects. And now, as I elevate, now we're deep into the projects now. I'm doing more than just electrical. Now we're doing the GC part of it, so the team is definitely one of those things where we're going to be a one-stop shop. This part of the crew here, you got these contractors there. You got the regular one in the middle, but you got Brandon Rec Build over there. That's the man behind everything. Is behind all these new constructions, The GOAT, that's Yoda at this point. He's Yoda. Yeah, I'm probably Obi-Wan. I'm definitely
Padawan.
I'm definitely not no Padawan. You got me messed up, sir. But yeah, we're gonna be a one-stop shop where you get everything done. You got a new renovation, remodel, everything you want. Licensed and insured contractors. The one thing I can say, everybody on the job site is licensed and insured. That's one thing I love. That's the best thing. Having people, you get it done right the first time. Because when you pay Pookie and Ray Ray to do your work, guess what? After you pay Pookie and Ray Ray, because you didn't want to pay my price, now by the time you pay my price and pay Pookie and Ray Ray, you didn't spend more. So you got to think about that. So yeah, so let's talk about it. But again, these land bank properties come out pretty good. This one's gonna be a nice one, so it's gonna be a lot of videos on this, showing the whole process, start to finish. It's another one of the guys on the crew. So it's definitely a blessing. Habitat built all these houses. That house right there, I wired that one up right there. I did a lot of these properties, and now we're moving on up. So let's get it. Let's get it. So I'll be back with another one. So, and then we go from there. But definitely make sure if you're an investor looking to start generational wealth, whatever that may be to you, you know, you need a good crew, you'll reach out to us. We'll take care of you.